Hi beautiful people, I'm Zaina, and on Zen and Zaatar I show you how to make delicious plant-based recipes that anyone could love. Today we'll be making this beautiful Palestinian salad that is as refreshing and delicious as it is culturally rich. Make sure you stick around to hear all about the story behind this beautiful salad. Cooking Palestinian food is more than just about making a meal. It keeps our culture alive and helps foster connection and understanding. Our culinary heritage is an important part of our identity, and sharing our creations helps keep our culture alive. It's important to recognize and honor the origins of this dish. So let's get chopping and create this salad that tells a story. This salad is really easy to make and only consists of a few key ingredients. So the base of this salad is made up of equal parts cucumbers and tomatoes. It also consists of a type of onion. I chose to use green onion. It also often includes the herbs parsley and mint. And it also consists of a simple olive oil lemon dressing that is seasoned with salt and pepper. I chose to also add sumac. I think it adds a really great flavor. This simple salad has been enjoyed by Palestinian farmers since tomatoes entered the cuisine a couple hundred years ago. We're going to start by chopping our cucumbers and tomatoes into equal-sized pieces. We're gonna want to get the cucumbers and tomatoes about a 1/4 inch cubed. So this is how I like to cut the cucumbers. This tastes way better if the cucumbers are chopped finely. So I'm just gonna remove the ends. I'm going to cut it in half down the middle. And then I like to take each cucumber and kind of cut it into 3 pieces. I use Persian cucumbers. That's going to give you the best texture, but if you have normal cucumbers, it might be better if you peel those cucumbers. So just cut them into 3 like this after they're cut in half. And we can just go ahead and slice them, and they'll be these perfect small cubes. Once you're done, they should be about this size. Next, we're gonna go ahead and cut our tomatoes. Just cutting off the end here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my tomato in half. What I like to do is scoop out the seeds, just so it doesn't make the salad soggy, but it's no problem to keep the seeds if you would like. And then we are going to chop them in about 1/4 inch cubes. And the important thing is to make these tomatoes the same size as the cucumbers. As you can see here, it's basically equal parts tomato and cucumber, and they are chopped roughly the same size. Next, we're gonna be chopping the onion. You can use half of a white onion or red onion, but I love using green onions, so for green onions, I'm gonna use about 3 of them. The perfect thing about these green onions is that they're already pretty much the perfect size to be chopped into equal sizes with everything else. And finally, we're just gonna finely chop our herbs and add them to the salad as well. Here I have my parsley and I have my mint. And you just want to make sure that these are finely diced so you don't get big pieces of herbs in your salad. Make sure to get rid of as much of the stem as possible. We're just going to squeeze 1 lemon over the salad. It should equal about a 1/4 cup of juice. Finally, we're going to add our olive oil, salt, and pepper. And as I mentioned before, I just love to add sumac. I feel like it adds a lovely flavor. This salad is often referred to as Israeli salad abroad. Calling it Israeli salad contributes to the erasure of Palestinian culture. Even in Israel, it's referred to as Salat Arabi or Arab salad. Our food and our culture is what we will always have, and we cannot let it be erased. That's why I love making the foods of my culture and sharing them with you. It's a way to preserve our culture and keep it alive. Now, let's dig in. That is just so delicious. And there you have it. This was a delicious and simple Palestinian salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more delicious, nutritious, and simple plant-based recipes, especially those inspired by Mediterranean cultures. I hope to see you guys next time. Look who came to join me, guys. I think she wanted some salad too.